Yeah.
You have to fix that part.
Okay, using our best aeronautical engineering skills, which we have none, we think we figured something out here, so I'm going to give it to Jay. I'm going to wind it up and try it again.
Dad, Jeff.
You're looking at it the wrong way. First. Okay, now you got to try to keep up with it.
Okay. Just say no. Bye. I'm Jamie.
Okay, keep the camera on the plane. Think you can do that?
Yeah.
Here we go, and launch.
I got it! I got it!
Good job.
Can I try it?
Hang on, let's try one more time. That still is kind of...
I got it up in the air.
That was kind of going... Let's try to get back a little bit here.
It went up in the air, then it fell right down. It was awesome. Got it on tape. Itchy.
We're taping?
Yep. Still taping.
Alright, here we go. Ready?
Uh-huh.
And launch. Did you get it?
Yep.
That was the best one yet.
No, I have to wind it up by myself.
Are you sure you had it?
Yeah, I got it. Watch the video and put it on YouTube, then you can watch it.
Okay.
See that I got it.
You get yours and then we'll shut this one down since we got 2 good launches.
From you.
Well, let's see you get a good one.
Tell me when I just stop winding up.
Oh, keep twisting and keep twisting. Towards you. Twisting towards you?
Yeah.
Not bad. Okay, we're going to quit while we're ahead on this one.
Huh?
Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera.
We'll see you on YouTube.